Hey guys, in this video, talking about how to use Urban VPN in mobile, hidden settings that double your speed. So, we call this here Urban VPN. There you go. We are just starting right here. So the what they call this. So we're gonna enable this. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. So hey guys, right here. So right here, how to use Urban VPN mobile hidden settings at double speed. So here, once you install it from the official app like Play Store, open Urban VPN and choose a server. So we're gonna choose a server right here. For example, we choose a server right here. For example, we're choosing a server right here. So there's our free. Let's say Belgium right there. Choose a server. Allow to create, allow, so click allow that. Then test your normal speed first guys. For connecting a run test, a simple note how quickly a website or video loads, and then switch server if the connection is low. If ever the connection is low guys, switch the server. And don't expect a VPN literally double speed. Don't literally expect it. A VPN normally doesn't magically increase your internet speed. What it can do is something to avoid certain ISP routings or throttling problems. So yeah, and check your kill switch. Urban includes a kill switch that block internet traffic in the VPN, and use split tunneling on supported Android plans, guys. And don't use double VPN expecting more speed. That's not how it works. And check whether the VPN is actually connected. As you see, mine is connected. Stop it. Just click on that. It's just that. The biggest speed mistake, using the wrong server. If don't pick a VPN location based only on the country you want. Pick one that gives you the best combination of location and connection quality and latency. And there you guys. Hope you guys do enjoy. If you have no question, concerns, stop with the question. But guys, have it as soon as possible. And there you go, guys. See you guys on the next one. And thank you, guys.